Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to part 2 of our lesson. We're talking about magnet, and we said that magnet is anything that can pull a steel or an iron. We call it a magnet. So the ability to pull something or push sometimes, we call it magnet, all right? And we have different kinds or different shapes of magnet. It can be like a horseshoe or a U shape, and it can be just like a bar, okay? Also, it can be round, just like this one. All right, and we learned that it has two sides. The biggest force that can pull pull an iron, we call it a pole. And we have two poles, North Pole and a South Pole. And we said, not only we learned about pole, we learned about how magnets are sometimes attract each other. If they are different, they definitely attract each other. And if they are similar, what is going to happen? They will definitely repel. Excellent, they will repel. Okay, today I want to show you what magnet can pull, okay? What magnet can bring towards it. What things do you think that magnets can pull? I think I told you. Yes, it can pull an iron or steel. So over here I have two things, okay? I'm gonna try to pull this plastic piece. Do you think I could pull it? Let's try. No, definitely no. What about this plastic? See, I cannot pull it towards me. No. All right. What about these iron, these metal? Oops. What about this one? Oh, so I hold them all. What about that one? See? Yes. So all of them are made of iron or steel. That's why a magnet can pull them. But other things, no, magnet cannot pull them. Now, let me show you another thing. Now we know that magnet can pull steel or iron and nothing else. If I hold this paper, okay? And I'm gonna try to pull them from down. I'm gonna put this, my magnet bar down. Let's see. Oh. See, I can move them. It's still working, see? It didn't lose the ability to pull the iron and steel. Why is that? Do you know why? Because a magnet have a field, and we call the whole area over here from up and down a field. So this is the magnet field. Even if I put it on my hands, if I have a big magnet, I would really could move them from down. But this magnet is too small, so a small paper can do it. Let's do it again. Look at this one. Hello. This is not magic, this is magnet. The power of magnet. This is not magic. This is the power of science. Yes, definitely this is the power of science. All right, boys and girls, let's open the book to page 400 to see the activities that we have. 400, please. Did you open your book to page 400? Okay, now a steel paper clip is attracted to a magnet, definitely. A rubber band is not. Magnets attract some things, but not others. Now, I want you to take a look at these boxes and tell me which things are attracted to magnet and which things are not. As you can see on the left side, the red box, these things are attracted to magnet because all of them, they are made of steel or an iron. But the right side, they are not attracted to magnet because they are not made of what? Of steel or an iron. A wood cannot be attracted to a magnet. Even a plastic or a button, they must be made of what? Excellent, iron or steel. Now, I want you to draw something else that a magnet attracts and something else that a magnet does not attract. All right? You can draw a steel bolt or a fork. Yes, because a fork is made of iron, so definitely a magnet can attract. But you can draw a pencil or a paper because a magnet cannot attract a paper or a pencil. They're not made out of steel or iron. Excellent. Now, look at the way the magnet pulls the paper clip right through the hand. A magnet does not have to touch an object to move it, just like what I showed you when I pulled all of the iron pieces I have from under the paper. It's just the same over here. This is possible because of what? Because of its magnetic field. I call it magnetic field. So this is the area around a magnet where the magnetic force is felt. All right? Got it? Thank you, boys and girls. That's it for today, and see you tomorrow in a new lesson.